so bright outside. Just took out shadow. Oh, and it's warm and it's sunny and it's gonna be such a good week. I am pumped to be in here this week. Last 2 weeks were a little, but this week I'm ready to attack it again. So we're gonna do the floor, we're gonna do the column, we're gonna do the door, I'm trying to get to the baseboards. We're gonna rock and roll and get this darn thing moving along again. I hate this part so much.
No! God, please, no! 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 No!
Okay, so I got as far as I could on the floor yesterday. We're gonna try to figure out how to reinstall the door. I've done a lot of doors. I've never done a metal door with the transition and the hinge that actually controls the swing. So there's no hinges, it's just a pivot point on the floor and on the top of the jamb. So, try to figure that out today. Like I said before, there's a lot more jobs than the lobby that I gotta do day to day besides running the hotel and the restaurant and the bar. So, today, get rid of this fridge that's been accumulating water in the bottom. Honestly, I thought I had Home Depot scheduled to pick this up, but apparently it didn't make it to the paperweight. Oh my gosh. Would you look at that? about 16 too long for the flooring to fit underneath. So I'm going to take it off, trim it down, it's probably a good time anyway because I'm gonna sand it and add a bundle to the corner. So this door sucks because it has that auto hinge there. I'll stab myself.
No!
Okay, the flooring is coming along and I'm to the little hallway. So now I gotta, at each intersection, have a transition to go to the bathroom. I need a transition for the back office, and I need a stair nose, and I need a stair riser. So there's a lot of little connecting pieces. So I'm done here staining and pulling those before I can move on. Okay, so yesterday I got all the pieces designed here for the transitions into the bathroom. The bowl nose, the stairs, and the stair risers. They're all cut, polyed, and they are drying. So right now, as I'm thinking about moving forward, this is gonna be a closed door most of the times, but through this door and through this plastic is, well, right now a war zone. But this is where everything is being kept for the renovation, but it's gonna be put back together as in my corner office. And we're gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4 types of flooring. And I really am thinking I should just be running this floor all the way through, because if that door is propped open and that door is propped open, I think it should be done. Always setting myself up for more work. I got the door pulled off from out there, and it is ugly.
See you for what you truly are, which is ugly.
Man, oh man. I don't know who cut this thing last either, but I think they were drunk. We are going to refinish this door, Bondo the corner, and give it a nice, hopefully glossy finish with paint. So we did need to cut a little bit off the end here, so I always tape and then I score it first with a knife so that way we don't get the chips at least as bad. It is marked, measured, straight. I can't believe how crooked this is. It's crazy. All right. So it's been sitting down here a little while, but I had to put the border on it. See how dusty it's gotten. Oof, duh. But structure's pretty much all there. Now it's finally a full grade. So I'm gonna wait for the glue to set up on these, and then I'll screw them in from the bottom again. But it's just getting real close to being done.